Scheduled for announcement on January 17, Samsung is gearing up to unveil its Galaxy S24 series, comprising 3 models. To simplify the array of rumors, WinFuture has thoughtfully compiled all the specifications into a comprehensive report. The standout performance upgrade is the expected use of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for all models, with an exception for the Europe-bound base Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, which are slated to be powered by the Exynos 2400. The Galaxy S24 is anticipated to maintain 8 GB of RAM, while the Plus and Ultra variants are set to receive an upgrade to 12 GB of RAM. Each model is poised for some form of screen improvement. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a flat screen, a preference for many over the curved display. The Plus model is expected to boast a higher resolution, 3120x1440, while the entry-level variant will likely sport a slightly larger 6.2-inch display. While hardware-based camera enhancements seem to be primarily concentrated on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a rumored 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera, the entire lineup is poised to benefit from AI-powered improvements, potentially positioning them as some of the best camera phones of 2023. Expectations are high for larger batteries in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, with capacities of 4,000 mAh and 4,900 mAh, respectively. Similar to the iPhone 15 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a titanium frame, adding a touch of premium durability to the flagship device. The Galaxy S24 boasts a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a resolution of 2340x1080. In Europe, it is equipped with the Exynos 2400 chipset, while the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powers it elsewhere. With 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, the device features a triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. It supports 30x space zoom and is backed by a 4,000 mAh battery. Moving up the line, the Galaxy S24 Plus boasts a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and an increased resolution of 3120x1440. Similar to the S24, it utilizes either the Exynos 2400 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, depending on the region. With a larger 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, it features the same triple camera system with 30x space zoom and is powered by a 4,900 mAh battery. At the pinnacle is the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a resolution of 3120x1440. Powered exclusively by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. The S24 Ultra stands out with its quad camera system, including a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. It supports an impressive 100x space zoom and features a robust 5,000 mAh battery. Additionally, the S24 Ultra boasts a titanium frame for added durability and a premium feel. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.